Find the effective capacitance between A and B. 1 microfarad, 3 microfarad, 4, 3 microfarad and 1 microfarad. See the symmetry here. This is a unbalanced Wheatstone bridge because P by Q is not equal to R by S. This is 1 by 3 and this is 3 by 1. So this is unbalanced Wheatstone bridge. For unbalanced Wheatstone bridge, let us assume that this capacitance is C1, this is C2, this is C3. Then C effective, the shortcut formula is 2 C1 C2 plus C2 C3 plus C3 C1 by C1 plus C2 plus 2 C3. Now just substitute the values. 2 into C1 C2, so 2 3s are 6 plus C2 C3, C2 C3, 3 4s are 12 plus C3 C1, 4 1s are 4 by 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus C2 is 3 plus 2 C3, so 2 4s are 8, 8, so that is equal to 22 by 12, that is equal to 11 by 6 microfarad. This formula derivation, I will give this derivation in the description. Please check. The derivation of this formula is given in the description. Please check.